So this video I'm gonna showing you how to add HubSpot from submission Google Tag Manager data layer or listener code. Basically, this is the embedded from. So that's why we need Google Tag Manager GTM listener code actually HubSpot from submission. So first of all, you need to go this website. This is the blog section mdniamul.com and blog HubSpot from submission tracking in GA4 using GTM. So this URL I mentioned this URL from video description on link in the comment. Okay, so you can go to this URL and scroll down. This is the total introduction. Scroll down and go to the URL and this section, step 3.1 section, create a HubSpot from listener code. Okay, you can just copy this code, then go to the Google Tag Manager and you can click the new tab, click the new section, then click the tag configuration, then click selected the custom HTML tag. This is the custom HTML, then selected and paste this code and you can click this icon. You see the code. This is the code. Okay. So and if you need to change the suppose this event name, totally depend on you if you need or not. Okay. So then need to see selected the trigger. The trigger is trigger is all page. Then click the save and the name is I already mentioned this name. This is the HubSpot. Okay, and save it. Then click the preview mode and connected the website. This is the hub home page and I click the 1 second. This is the tag assistant. I put the URL and connected. Just wait some second. I think it's connected. Is not connected right now. Just need to wait. Maybe connected right now. Yes. No, it's not connected. Need to wait some second. Yes, now connected. So now uh, now put the information. Okay, now put the number and click the submit and see this is the from submission working event. Okay, listener code and see the from ID and data layer event, also conversion ID, also this is the name information, everything. Okay, so this is the actually process. I think I understand. Thank you so much.